Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Whether you want to collect emails, share a special offer, or highlight important information for your visitors, adding a pop-up can really take your site to the next level. And don't worry, even if you're totally new to website building, by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident making pop-ups appear right where you want them on your site. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you're on the design page of the website you want to update. The design area is basically your control center. It's where all the magic happens. Think of it like arranging the furniture in your living room. Any changes you make here will be what your visitors see when they visit your site. Take a moment to look over your page and decide where a pop-up might have the most impact. Don't worry if you're not sure where to start, you can always move things around later. Next, look over on the left side of the screen and select the Elements section. Elements are the building blocks of your website, kind of like Lego pieces that you can stack and move anywhere you want. You're looking for something called Embed Code. Go ahead and click on that. What we're doing here is telling Wix, hey, I've got a little bit of code I'd like you to put onto my site, which is exactly how we're going to get our pop-up up and running. After you click Embed Code, you'll see an option labeled HTML code. Click on that as well. This is where you're going to paste the secret ingredient for your pop-up. If you've created your pop-up code using Elfsight.com, which is a really handy online service for generating all sorts of embeddable widgets, you should already have a small snippet of code ready to go. If not, hop over to Elfsight, set up your pop-up there and copy the code they give you. Trust me, it makes things super straightforward. Now simply paste that pop-up code into the HTML code box in Wix. Take a moment to double-check that you're pasting the whole code. Sometimes it's easy to miss a little bit at the beginning or end, but Wix needs the full script to do its job. Once you hit enter or click out of the box, Wix will take care of the rest. You might see a little loading circle, or it may take a few seconds for the code to show up as your new pop-up. Don't worry if it isn't instant. Sometimes these things just need a moment to process. Once your pop-up appears, you can drag and drop it anywhere you like on your page. Maybe you want it front and center so nobody misses your big announcement, or perhaps tucked into a corner so it's a little more subtle. Totally up to you. Remember, you can always move it later, so feel free to experiment until it looks just right. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a professional-looking pop-up to your Wix site with just a few clicks. If you run into any issues, don't panic, retrace your steps, or drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help out. If this tutorial made your life a little easier, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more simple step-by-step website tricks, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.